Hey, good morning, everyone. It is January 4th of 2025, and I just wanted to do a review on TQQQ here. Remember, we started the new year right here. First trading day was January 2nd, and you can see that immediately that we continue to go lower, and then on Friday we got the 2-2 reversal back up on the daily. Question is, are they going to take it back up here and try to stop these players out, or are they going to continue to move it lower and try to go after this group right here? We don't know. We do know that we got a heck of a bounce, and because this is below the 10, I did not get too long on anything. Matter of fact, we used the 130-minute chart to help us decide when to get in and when to take profit. What do I mean by that? Well, right here is your 130-minute chart. And each one of these dashed lines represent a day, because on the 130-minute time frame, you will only get 3 candles per day. And so you can see that we closed inside on Thursday, and then on Friday we gapped up above the trigger point here of 78.92, and we just kept getting bought and bought and bought. So what I'll do on a choppy market like this is, if I see this gap up right here, I will take this position and I will just let it play out until it either hits my target, which was the 10 right here on the daily, or if it reverses. Now, had this gone 222 bearish reversal back down, I would have been out, but fortunately I was able to stay in this trade all the way here to target the 83.18, and you can see that right there. We got as high as 83. That was close enough for me, and that's how I trade a really choppy market. You cannot apply something that worked in the past, like this trend, to where we are right now, because if you do that, you're going to get chopped up, first of all. But second of all, if you're trading options here, you're really going to get hurt, because we're not coming back up here yet. Now maybe that'll change. Maybe on Monday we'll gap up and we'll go. But just keep in mind, when the market is chopping, and what do I mean by that? If we look at all 4 ETFs here, you can see that we only have one confirmed in an uptrend, an A1, and that is TNA. The rest are still in a downtrend, B04, B05, and B04. Now, if this is something that you would like to learn a little bit more about, I'd love to have you come into the Discord channel. We have 200 members strong, and you'll find educational videos on how to do some of this. You'll learn the basics, and then this is where I post my setups for the stocks every morning, and I do post them not only here but also on Twitter, but I would say primarily more on the Discord channel. We even have a translator, an iBot here, that will translate between English and Spanish. So if that is a barrier for you or a challenge, you don't have to worry about that. We have several members in the group that speak Spanish as well, and we even have a dedicated voice channel for it. So I sit right here in the stock chat. Love to talk strategy and process with you every morning. I'm an early riser. I'm usually on as early as 5:30 or 6 o'clock Central Time. Um, Drop in. Doesn't cost anything. It's just my way of giving back to a great community, and to kind of pay it forward as far as what I learned from Rob and from others as well. So I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, please comment below. And if you haven't, subscribe. Thanks.